Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these super cute teeny mini purses boxes. So these are purse boxes in which you can add small gifts, and this is very cute. Can you see how gorgeously this is made? And it is having magnetic closure and the handle is also flexible. So I have created in two different shades, and you can keep jewelry, you can keep cosmetic items or watches or chocolates, anything. So let's start with the procedure. Here I have this template which I have given in description box. You just need to download this and print it on A4 paper, and after printing you just need to cut it around the border roughly like this. And then I am taking white color cardstock and I am going to stick this template on this. So here actually I am making my stencil, or you can say sturdy template to trace on the actual cardstock from which I am going to make the purse. So just stick it very well, burnish the edge properly using bone folder. And then exactly on the black line you have to cut using scissors. Similarly, cut the complete portion, and this is done. Now here I am taking pink color textured cardstock. This is having 300 GSM thickness, and in one corner I am going to trace my design using pencil. So the tracing is done. Now we just need to cut the traced border using scissors. And after cutting, our purse template is done. So this template you can use as many times as you want to make similar kind of purse boxes. Now I'm just rubbing the pencil work all around the edge of this before start scoring it. And now we just need to follow these lines and make a score line using small size ball tool and ruler. So just score it very well from all the sides on all the folds. Burnish it, fold it very well using bone folder. the folding is done. Now just roughly I am arranging all the parts to construct my purse, and for the flap of the purse I am just tracing it using pencil so that we can make one more crease line on this. So again taking my ball tool and ruler and creasing this pencil marking, and then fold this part as well. So all the foldings are done. Now it's time to stick it together using glue. Now I'm just adding glue on these two parts only from both the sides and then sticking it to make the purse. And a cute purse is ready. Very easy to construct. Now to make a closure for the purse, I am going to attach magnets. So for just a simple guideline, I am adding dot of glue in the center and pushing it in the bottom so that you will get the exact position on which we have to add the magnet. So I am just adding exact on this point double side tacky tape. Remove the liner and stick 1 mm magnet with this. Now close your lid exactly and align it properly, then stick the another magnet. Again adding one glue dot for the exact position, adding tacky tape piece on this, removing the liner and then closing by adding the other magnet on this, and the closure is done. Super easy. Now I'm just decorating my purse using some pattern papers. This pattern paper is by Dress My Craft called Dots and Strips. I have given link in description box of this and all the items which I am using today in the description box if you want to purchase anything. So just covering all the sides using pattern papers. I had just traced all the parts to cut the exact size pattern papers as the purse. Similarly, I am adding remaining parts on the remaining sides. So after adding all sides using pattern paper, our purse is ready. It's quite sturdy now. And now I am starting with making the handle. So here I am taking this strip which measures 20 by 1.5 centimeters, and to attach this I am going to use brads. So to attach brad we need to make holes on both the sides. For this I am using 2 mm hole punch machine, and similarly I am punching the hole on both the sides of the purse. So just aligning the handle on this, tracing the center hole using pencil on both the sides of purse, and then exactly on this marking I am going to punch again like this. Now I am taking these 3 mm metal brads, just opening it little bit, passing through the handle hole and then pass it through the purse. Just open the brad pins from inside and just flatten it little bit, and it is fixed. Similarly I am repeating on another side. Open the brad little bit and then pass it through the handle and from the purse, just like we did before, and open the brad pins from inside. And the handle is fixed permanently, and it is also very much flexible. So when you want to open your purse, just fold the handle on back side and you can easily open your purse like this. Isn't it a creative idea? Now to decorate the purse, I am just taking some small doily cutouts. I am just adding 2 layers of same cutout using silver cardstock and white cardstock, and then I am just attaching it on the side of the purse. I have already added the same doily on another side, and on the back side and in the front side from the bottom I am adding this beautiful border design. And this is done. Now it's time to make some flowers. So I have already prepared these 8 petals flower cutout, and to color this I am using sunflower archival ink. I am adding the coloring only in the center part of the flower. You can also use acrylic colors if you don't have archival inks. Spraying little water to make the flowers moist. Dab the excess water using tissue paper, and using embossing pad and small size groove golf tool I am shaping all the flowers from back side. Now rotate all the flowers and pinch exactly in the center using back side of the brush. Then I am layering all the flowers together to make one whole flower. Just offset the petals each time, adding layers. And for the center of the flower I am using half cut pearl. So the super cute flower is ready. It's looking very pretty, and in the same way I have made 2 more flowers with the same procedure in smaller size, and also I have already prepared some leaf cutouts using leaf dye. Now taking back my purse, and inside this I have added double-sided tape, just removing the liner and attaching one small piece of organza ribbon in the bottom, so that after decorating the purse top it will be easier for us to open the purse. That's why I'm using the ribbon to operate the purse very easily. So by holding this you can easily open your purse. And now on the top I am just adding one strip of silver color cardstock. And then I will start decorating it with some leaves and flowers. Like this, allow it to dry for some time. Then I have this beautiful white color pearl strings So using B6000 glue, I am just adding these pearl strings here and there just for a little more decoration. This is completely optional, but it gives very nice shabby look to the work and it's looking very cute. And now I'm taking the sentiment happy birthday. I'm going to add the sentiment on back side of the purse. So according to the occasion, you can select the sentiment. And then I'm taking one small piece of yellow color satin ribbon and making one knot on the handle of the purse just to decorate it. I'm just matching the ribbon with the flower colors like this. So the super cute teeny mini purse box is ready. It's looking very attractive, and you can keep cosmetic items like I'm putting nail paint, lipstick and earrings to gift to my mom. And you can also put some chocolates or watch or anything which you want. Even you can use for silver coins for the wedding ceremonies. And similar way, I have made one more box with the same procedure. I have just used pink color combination for this and added the sentiment on top instead of back side, and rest the process is same for both the boxes. So in this way you can make different color combination boxes for different occasions. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.